Oh, and I'm just messing up the camera right away. Okay, everybody. Hi, this is Helen. Welcome to Diamond Paintings with Cat and Dogs. I have a make market from Michael's here. It is coasters. It was on clearance for like this was like $3 at Michael's. I never did the coasters, so I thought I'd try them. These are 4 of them in the box, and it is a 4" by 4" or 10.16 centimeters. It is 4 cork backings, pre-sorted diamond gems, 17 collars, your pen, your gripper, your tray, your wax, and your instruction sheet. And on the back, it tells you how to diamond paint. And then on the side, it has your picture of what it is. So let's get into this and see what we got. If I can open the box. This is why I usually do it all before because of my hands. So give me 1 second. Okay, sorry about that. So that's what's all in the box. This bag right here. Let's see what's all in here. So we have our drills. We have a tray, baggies, wax, a pen, a squishy, and a one-placer. And that's all that's in the toolkit. And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4 of the cork boards, which this is sticky. We don't need that. We have our legend, which is all alphabet. And then we have our directions on how to diamond paint and how to put your coasters together. Make sure you pull up the English unless you speak Spanish. And here are the coasters. It's pretty purple. So you have a triangle. Let's see if I can get the plastic off to see how sticky we got it going here. I wish I had hands that like to work. There we go. Sorry about hearing my doggy tap, tap, tap on the floor. It's nice and sticky. And then we go to our next one, which are shades of blue. Zigzag. And nice and sticky. And so I only have 3, so it's missing one, or they're one stuck together. There's one stuck together. Okay then. We have green triangles. So we have 2 triangle ones. One's purple and one's green, and then we have a blue zigzag. Jesus does not want to do nothing for me. Nice and sticky. And then the last one are diamonds, which is all pink. And then what you do is you take off the paper here and you stick it to the back here. And then there's your coasters. Okay. So let's set these 4 here so we can see them as we check out our drills. Okay. Okay, so let's check out our drills, maybe. Okay. So we have A here. The blues, there's our blues, our pinks, our pinks, our purples, some green, some more blue, pink, and green. I like that green. Now these do not have your DMC numbers on it. It just has the symbol, which is just the alphabet that you're working with. This number here below corresponds with everything that's in the bag. Excuse me. Excuse me. On your sheet, everything matches. So this will be another one that once I get going on it, I will definitely do a review. Or it'll be another one that I might do just a small little whip and chat to do them with you. And we'll see how they work out. Please always like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. If you are a returning family or friend, because that's what you are. Thank you. And if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe and come back. Thank you. Bye.